So it's gonna go down with this turkey breast right here. You know what I'm saying? And after I smoke it on the grill, it's going in the oven with some cowboy butter. Let's go. We gotta get this bird all cleaned up. There's a lot of fat under here that we don't want that. So we're gonna get that up out of there. Get them seasoned up. You know what I'm saying? Get ready to go on the grill. And I'm telling y'all, it'd be a lot of crap underneath this skin. So you see, you just pull it back and get all that scrap up out of here. You want all that mess out of there, man. This is just like cleaning a chicken. It's just bigger. But it got birds be dirty, so you gotta get that stuff out of there. All right, so we got her looking good, nice and clean. So then we'll come on over here. This is gonna be my combination that I'm gonna season this turkey with. We got Cajun, we got black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. We slapping your mama, and then we got this blend right here with the soy sauce, teriyaki, and that W sauce. And that might seem weird, but when they're mixed, it's off the chain. Trust that. Got the grill fired up. We just gotta wait for it to calm down so we can get that turkey out here and start smoking it. Turkey breast with the bone in it. It's going down. Yep, so I hit it with a little parsley and paprika too, just to make it pretty and stuff. But the other liquids, I drizzle them over, and then I will constantly be injecting that mixture as well as it's smoking. So you'll get to see how it goes down with that too. And we fired up. We got wood chips in here. All that is gonna go straight at him. The smoke is gonna get up in there. Let's go. Old Trusty doing his thing. Add some more wood chips. We've been cooking for a little while, not too long. It's looking good though. Let's get this lid closed, you know? Now while we still smoking our turkey outside, I'm gonna show you what we doing for this cowboy butter. So we got the black pepper, we got salt, we got the thyme leaves, paprika, we got the cayenne pepper, horseradish, we got brown, spicy brown mustard, we got the chopped chives, minced garlic, lemon juice, and of course, we got the butter. My old rusty trusty still out here doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? Getting it cracking. It's going well. We like what we see. We're gonna just keep this thing covered up though. All right, so for my butter, I'm just gonna eyeball, like I know how much meat I want to cover before I put it in the oven, so I'm gonna judge it that way. And then I'm gonna go with my minced garlic to, you know, suit however much butter I put in there. It's all eyeballing with some of this. But for my lemon juice, same, I'm gonna kind of eyeball that. But then I will go with about 4 tablespoons of my mustard. I'm gonna go with 2 tablespoons of my horseradish. I'm gonna use a tiny amount of my cayenne pepper. I'm gonna be careful with that, you know, but if you like it really hot, then you do your thing, you know. And then I'm gonna go with about 2/4 teaspoon of my paprika there. And then I'm gonna go with 2 tablespoons of my chives. Then I'm gonna go 4 teaspoons of my thyme leaves there. And then I'm gonna take it easy with my salt and pepper. I'm gonna slice my turkey breast. Slice it up. So we done our thing. We done sliced all this turkey up. It's looking really special, really good. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour that cowboy butter up in here. Get that up in there. Get all that up in there. Now we got our cowboy butter in there. Now we're gonna make sure we mixing around a little taste. Cowboy butter is all over our turkey now. Our turkey is smoked. I'm gonna cover it with foil and pop it in that oven. I do gotta mention that I decided I didn't even inject my turkey the whole time it was on the grill, because once I go in the oven on 400 in that cowboy butter, it's no point. It's gonna be so tender, it's gonna be ridiculous. So I didn't even mention it, but I didn't inject that turkey at all while I was on the grill, because once you put it in that cowboy butter and cover it with that foil, that's all you need to do. Believe it. And so the end result is this beautiful plate, and that's what it's gonna be. We got the cowboy butter on the potatoes too. It's gonna be a delicious meal.